You can access our text blast scheduler via two different ways in the platform. One is on the dashboard, and under the messaging section, you'll click on Send Text Blast. If you happen, however, to be under your mobile campaigns already, make sure you're editing that campaign. You can go over to the tab marked Schedule Blast and click on New Text Blast. Both of those methods will arrive you to the same page. In here, you're going to select the campaign you want the messages sent from, the recipients you want to receive the message, whether that be the keyword opt-in contacts, all contacts for account, target list, or imported file, and then when you want to send it. If you select now, it'll go ahead and timestamp it for the time and day you're currently on. However, you can also mark it for the future. This gives you time to schedule the message the day before or week before, a month before. There is no time limit on how early you can schedule out a message. Once you've got your time and day set up, you can go ahead and create your message here. Make sure if you're going to use any of the advanced message options, you go ahead and put in the corresponding information so that your message is complete. Once you've got it set up, all you have to do is hit submit, and you'll get this pop-up letting you know your message was successfully scheduled. Make sure if you do need to make any changes, you go into our scheduled log so you can edit and review that information.